everyone, it's Martin. I hope you guys have a good morning. I have a brilliant morning. I'm busy with some other stuff, some work. I'm gonna grab my book quick and do some maintenance work, random jobs, quick as possible. I did help my boss with a few things this morning. He's still sleeping actually, but yeah, I'm helping a bit. He's moving overseas, so I'm helping him pack and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. There's a quick intro just for the intro, but I hope you guys have a good morning between the lines everywhere in the world. Be happy, be safe, and check you guys later. So guys, I'm actually just fixed a few things. I put a new cable in for the TV. We drove quickly. You can see one of the clips. I forgot actually drove back to make footage, but that's fine. We just went somewhere to drop off a trailer, and afterwards I just come and do some random jobs and fix the shower. So we didn't do much. I did help my boss this morning to pack a few things. So I didn't do major big jobs for myself, but I think tomorrow will be a little bit normal, so stay tuned for that, guys. It's not the end of my day yet, so stay tuned. Ciao, guys. So guys, look at this crazy birds. Very crazy. Eat anything, make a massive noise, big noise. Oops. There we go. We are back. Hear the noise what they're making? Crazy. Them crazy birds. So guys, this is actually outro for yesterday. I actually fall asleep very early. I was passed out very quick. So this is an outro for yesterday. I hope yesterday guys have a good day. All that stuff. And there's only a quick outro, because I'm still busy on the job for the next day after this intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed your night. Have a good night's sleep. And one thing you guys have to do is like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to notification bell. See you guys all tomorrow, today. Peace out.